你好
Hi! We are here to support the performance.
We are behind the scenes.
Let's go!
To learn about Asian countries and the money they use.
And today we only learn about 3 ASEAN countries and the money they use. That is Malaysia, Singapore and Thailand.
As we know, different countries have different names for their money. For example, in Malaysia we use ringgit. In Singapore, they use dollar. In Thailand, they use baht. So even though these countries are in ASEAN, their money is also different. Let me check your understanding. Student A, which country use ringgit? Which currency is this?
Malaysia use ringgit.
Okay, so good. Okay, the second is student B. Which currency is this one?
Singapore use dollar.
Good.
Excellent!
Okay. Last is student C. Student C. What currency is this?
This is Thailand baht.
Okay, good.
Great!
Now, we compare the value with 1 ringgit. As we know, 1 ringgit equals 1 unit. 1 Singapore dollar equals 3 unit. 1 Thailand baht equals 1 unit. Okay. Student A, is 1 Singapore dollar more than 1 ringgit?
Yes, it's more than 1 ringgit.
How do you know that?
Because Singapore dollar has 3 units and 1 ringgit has 1 unit.
Okay, good job. Okay, student B, is Thailand baht more than 1 or same as 1 ringgit?
It is the same as 1 ringgit
Why?
because both are 1 unit.
Good job.
Nice.
So now, we will play mini Asian market. Let me explain how to play. I will be the shopkeeper. One of you will be the customer. I will show a currency. You must say if it is more than or same as 1 ringgit. You must explain your reason. This activity helps us to practice comparing money in our real life. Okay, student C, you are the first customer.
I want to buy this item.
Okay, this item costs 1 Singapore dollar. This item costs 1 Singapore dollar.
It is more than 1 ringgit
How did you decide?
because Singapore dollar had higher rate.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Unbelievable!
Yeah, good reasoning. Okay, now student A, you try this item costs 1 Thailand baht.
It is same as 1 ringgit.
Job. How did you decide?
Because Singapore dollar had higher rate.
Okay, okay. Yeah, good reasoning. Now think carefully. If something costs 1 Singapore dollar, is it higher than 1 ringgit? Student B.
Yes, it is higher than 1 ringgit.
Good job. Okay, student B. Can you explain it?
Because Singapore dollar has 3 units and 1 ringgit has 1 unit.
Good explanation. Okay, now you compare the values and get a clear reason. Now, I would like to hear you feedback. Okay, student C. Did this activity help you understand?
Yes, it helped me understand better when we add it up.
Okay, good job. Okay, student A. What did you learn?
I learned how to compare the currency 1 ringgit.
Good job. Okay, all of you have participated well today.
So, to conclude, today's lesson aimed to help students understand that ASEAN countries use different currencies and that these currencies have different values. Students learned to recognize ringgit, Singapore dollar, and Thailand baht, and understood that although these countries are in the same region, their monetary systems are not the same. Throughout the lesson, students were not only identifying currencies, but also engaging in meaningful comparison. When comparing each currency with RMB, they were required to think carefully, analyze the values, and justify their answers with clear reasoning. This encouraged higher-order thinking rather than simple memorization. The mini-ASEAN market role-play further enhanced engagement by allowing students to apply their knowledge in a simulated real-life context. By acting as customers and making decisions, students actively constructed their understanding instead of passively receiving information. This strengthened their conceptual understanding, critical thinking skills, and communication confidence. Overall, the lesson successfully integrated recognition, comparison, application, and reflection. It promoted active learning and meaningful engagement, ensuring that students developed both content knowledge and essential thinking skills.
What is currency? Is this?
This is Thailand baht.
Yeah. Okay.
Ringgit.
Okay, good job.快笑快笑，不要紧，我可以剪掉这个。OK 啊，现在是谁是多了 ？OK，Student B。Which country use？ 不要笑不要笑。Student B，Which country？ 你不要讲话，你不要讲话。
Thank you very much.